Hello, I'm Darrell Smith, CEO of 99 Eats. Today we're here at 71 at Beyond making pork tenderloin, stuffed with a lot of cool things. We're going to start off and just lay this bad boy flat. And what we're aiming for is about, I would say, 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 inch-ish. And we're going to start in the middle. So I would say we're going to start like right here, okay? So start down here, boom. What we're going to do is we're just going to continue on this slit. So we made the slit right there, right here down the middle, okay? And so now this is what we call a butterfly, all right? So we butterflied our pork tenderloin. And so what we're going to do is go from the part that we just cut, so this center part, and we're just going to start on the other side, okay? Because it's thicker over there. All you do is just cut where the thick part is, and you just lay it out flat. And the cool thing about this is at the end, we're actually going to pound this out. We want to tenderize it so that it spreads out, and then it just becomes like mad juicy. So, like I said, you hit and spread right there. Boom. Just like that. All right? This is what we're looking for. All right? So it's nice and flat, nice little surface area to put our toppings into. First off, you start with some salt right there. Boom. All right? Next, cracked black pepper. So you want some thick pepper seeds in your pork, just like that. That's what we want to see. Cool? Put that to the side. Next, we're going to get our bigger bowl. Ricotta cheese, which is like my favorite ingredient in the whole wide world. Parmesan, next. This also adds like a nice flavor to it. So I would say about 1/2 cup. We got about a cup of ricotta cheese. We got about 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese. That's good. Shallots. So I'll add about 2 tablespoons of that to the mix as well. All right. Add about a tablespoon of garlic to our mix. Boom. We got some rosemary. So these are cherry tomatoes, and they're beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So we're gonna put that in there. I would say we'll add about, it's about 1/3 cup. So 1/3 cup of spinach as well. With this, we're just gonna mix it up, all right? Just like that. So we got the cast iron. We're gonna turn this up as high as we can. So as high as your stove can go, that's how high you want this, okay? Next, filling. Just scoop this right down the middle. Right there. All right? There we go. So what I like to do is I like to just position it all in the middle. And then you're just going to take this side, lift it, and fold it under. All right? Just like that. Fold that right under. And next, you take this much twine, got 1 finger on the end, 1 finger in the middle, and you just go right under it. Boom, slide right under it. You just tie a knot. Boom, just like that. All right? You take this, let me show y'all. Take this side, make sure this is out to this side, to the side. You just put it right under there. And bring the other side around the left. Take this. All right? And you're going to bring it over top of your meat and thread it through. Like that. Just want to end this with a knot, and we're good. Cut that off. The next step is to season the outside of it, okay? So we'll salt it. Boom. 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. A tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. And about a tablespoon of olive oil. And so you just want to make a paste and brush that right on. Just like that. So whenever you're cooking meat, especially at high temperature, make sure you use an oil that can stand up to the heat, okay? Put it right in the pot, in the pan. And so what we're going to do, we're just going to let this sear, okay? So we're going to get a nice crust on each side. I'll say about 2 to 3 minutes each side, okay? So we're going to flip it 4 times. We're going to get some garlic. Say about 2 cloves of it. Boom. Like that. We're just going to press this down. Leave the skin on, because you're going to burn the garlic if you don't. We're gonna take about a tablespoon of butter, add it right to it. Right there. Take a little olive oil, add that to it. Right there. Boom. Take our garlic, throw that in there. Boom. Rosemary, the same thing. Put it to the side and just ladle it right over it. Just like that. There we go. There we go. All right? That should be ready to flip. There we go. On that side, flip to this side. So we're gonna turn this off. 400 degrees. Pop it right in. There you go. This is a already cooked pork tenderloin. All right? And we'll actually just leave the twine on for now until about 5-10 minutes. Let it sit. We'll remove the twine, and then I'm gonna feed all of y'all.